So good morning, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and I'll be discussing with you the income opportunity and investment opportunity for the Philippine trucking business. So this is just an overview of this business, and if you have questions, you can ask after this presentation. Um, so what happens when you go into trucking business? Now, how do you, or what are the steps that you need to do? So in a snapshot, this is what you need to do. First, when you already have a truck or you're thinking of buying a truck, the most important thing for any business is you have a client. So dapat may benta ka. You have a sale. And then when you already have clients that you will serve, then you can buy a truck, right? Then when you have bought a truck, have that investment, what you need to do is to get an LTFRB franchise, prangkisa, no, nung truck mo para pwede siyang tumakbo. Once you did that, you need to hire a driver. So once you interview driver and then you will hire them. After that, now you can already serve a client. Or kung wala ka pang kliyente, kailangan mong kumuha no, after the LTFRB franchise registration. So now serving the client, meaning meron silang mga i-deliver, kailangan mo yun lang i-serve every single day. So you pick up, and then you deliver dun sa pupuntahan nila. Usually, yun yung logistics business or tracking business. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And then, pag gawa mo yan, na-serve mo yung kliyente mo, you will do the billing. No? Usually, every 15 days, on a 15-day cycle, we bill the client, no? Yung mga companies na nagpapadeliver. Now, when you have a billing, you have to wait. If it's 60 days or 90 days, yun yung kailangan mong ma-sustain na time for the business. No? And then, of course, kung yung truck hindi mo binili ng cash, you have to pay the amortization on a monthly basis para hindi mahila yung truck mo. And then, you have to also file taxes. Kasi this is a business, you register your business, then you file taxes on a monthly basis. And then also, on a regular basis, you make sure that you also do maintenance ng vehicle. No? Meaning, to make sure that the truck can run daily or regularly, hindi lang yung clients yung kailangan mo tingnan. Dapat yung maintenance ng truck mo, dapat sigurado ka rin. So, you have to be saving money for that. Nag-aalat ka dapat ng budget for that. Hindi mo ginagastos lahat ng kita mo or sales mo. And you know, what Philippine trucking business can do for you or Driven can do for you is we are already getting clients for you. So we have contracts with companies. So we do this part already. We can also help you buy trucks. No, we have suppliers that that are trusted. Pwede nating magawa yan. So we help you buy the truck for you, of course, with your investment. And then we facilitate buying the truck and also registration sa LTFRB. So we are getting different franchises so that you can have trucks running for you ng legal. Then, you will be the ones to hire your own driver kasi syempre negosyo mo rin yan, and then you will make sure you serve your clients with our supervision as well. You bill us, diba? You will bill us of the regular or the every 15 days kung ilan yung na-serve mo. Of course, you make sure you pay your amortization ng truck. We can help you file the taxes as well. Right? You can do that on your own, but we can do this for you. Yung may mga check is, these are optional things that we can do for you. And also vehicle maintenance. You can do maintenance sa sarili mong vehicle, but if you feel na, ay baka mahirap yan, hindi ko yan kayang gawin, we can also assist. Right? So these are the services that we can do for you when you enter this business. So now sa finances, let's talk about the closed van na six-wheeler. Ito yung usual na malaki yung demand, no? And in the industry, the standard is 3,500 per trip. Within the first 70-kilometer radius, ang usual na bayaran is around 3,500. Sa'yo lahat ng gas, ng driver, basta ito yung kita ng truck mo. Ito yung bayad, yung renta sa truck mo. This is VAT inclusive, no? Part na yan ng VAT. So kung vatable ka, you have to remit VAT, 'di ba? This is approximately 91,000 per month kung 26 days siya. Ang maganda rito, no, with our team, when you invest with us, the the rate will be higher than industry standards, which is 4,000 per trip sa first 70-kilometer radius. No, meaning if more than 70 kilometers, may dagdag pa yan. Right? So this is VAT inclusive as well. And here, you can earn 104,000 a month. No, so with just one truck, you can actually earn 100,000 a month in terms of your gross sales. Yan. Now, ito yung mga estimated expenses natin, no? Yung gas mo, 525 per trip, and minsan lower than that pa, kasi hindi mo naman gagastos ng ganyang kalaki. Kapag nag-toll ka one way, around 100 pesos, this can even be lower as well. 'Di ba? We suggest one way lang. Yung pagpapunta, nagmamadali ka, go ahead, sige, pwede ka mag-toll. Pauwi, hindi ka naman nagmamadali, hindi na dapat nagto-toll. Ganon. So, pwede pang on the day, pwedeng hindi ka na rin nagtotol pareho kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali. Like, kung madaling araw ka pupunta, you don't need to do that. No? So, it gives savings dun sa business. Yun. So, the driver earns 800 per trip for the six-wheeler, and then the helper earns 600 pesos. So, meron tong pahinante. So, requirement yan. And then, if you are paying for parking, sabihin na natin, usually the rate is 50 pesos per day or overnight. No? Kasi minsan, nag-pick up ka, papahinga mo muna. The 12-hour rate, let's say, at 50 pesos. So, total, all in all, yung 4,000 mo, you have an expense of 2,075 per trip. Diba? So, you are earning 1,925 per trip. Yun yung maganda rito. So, technically, yan yung kinikita mo na. And in this system that you are entering into, meron tayong, we suggest that you are already allot something for maintenance, LTO registration para yearly, make sure na re-register mo yung, may budget ka to register, hindi mo siya nagastos. Yan, pag kailangan mag-maintain, meron tayong naiipon, pang-register sa local government, and then of course yung insurance, no? Approximately 287 per trip, tinatabi na natin yan. And then yung VAT, syempre, and withholding tax, we have to pay that. That's around 500 pesos. So technically, nag-a-accrue tayo. No? We're saving in advance 788 pesos from the 1,925. Bakit natin ginagawa to? This is a very good business practice para hindi kung ano yung akala mo, yung 1,925, kita mo na yon. Bumili ka na ng kung ano-ano, gumasos ka na, hindi pala, tapos may kailangan kang ipa-repair or mag-register, hindi mo alam saan mo ko siya kukunin. Hindi dapat ganun. So, this is a very good business practice that you set aside something for yung mga guaranteed expense na rin naman na darating. So, with that, you're accruing 788 pesos from the 1,925. Technically, kumikita ka talaga ng 1,137 per trip. Malinis na to. And in 26 days, this is actually 29,562 a month. Yan yung net income mo for the operations. Right? So, tignan natin yung profitability nito. If you are making 104,000 a month, ang expenses mo is just 53,950 a month. So, technically, ang gross income mo talaga is 50,000 a month. Per truck, you earn 50,000 a month. This is a really good investment, no, na nagbibigay sa'yo ng 50,000 a month on a regular basis. Of course, with the system, we're saying na i-accrue na natin yung 20,488. That's the 788 times 26 days. Important yun, para nga again, sigurado kang may pampa-repair, sigurado kang may pang-register sa LTO, insurance, and everything, pati yung VAT na kailangan mong bayaran. Most businesses fail kasi ginagastos nila lahat ng income nila. Hindi dapat ganun. So, we are training you to be good business owners as well. So, the monthly net income of 29,562 per truck, ito yung take-home mo. Granting that your truck is fully paid. Now, if you have amortization, especially for the first 3 years, of course, magbabayad ka diyan mo kukunin yung pambayad ng truck mo. No? So, let's talk about operations first on a brief note. Ano ba yung mga initial na kailangan nyo lang tandaan? Number 1, yung driver per trip basis yan. No trip, no pay sila. No? So, hindi mo sila employed. They are self-employed in a way. Malaki yung sweldo nila, malaki yung kita nila kasi per trip basis sila. Yun. Also, pag may new driver ka na hina-hire, ang magandang gawin, pwede siyang pasamahin as helper, no, na dadaan sila ng 3-day training. So, in the first 3 days, habang sumasama sila, mag-a-act sila as helper, meron silang kita na 300 pesos a day. Ito yung training fee nila. or training, actually, on-the-job training. Yan. Then, you will be billing every 15 days and then there's a 45-day terms. No? So, in 45 days, tsaka mababayaran yung 15 days na itinakbo mo. We suggest you hire your own driver kasi your driver is your responsibility. But we can help you with that. And yung LTFRB processing, we will be handling that para hindi ka na mahirapan kasi it's easier for when we do it as a batch. And then you have a contract, you will be having an exclusive contract with PTB, meaning your truck can only run for PTB contracts. No? Yun yung lalabas din sa atin. Anyway, it's 26 days talaga nakatali na rin naman yan dyan. Wala ka na rin time na mag-handle ng iba. No, ganun talaga siya. Now, let's talk about the business aspect. Right? So, paano ba yung initial investment dyan? The initial investment is 500,000 pesos. And you get one truck. Anong breakdown niyan? You get the 30% down payment. So, granting you just want to buy the truck for installment. So, 30% of that goes to the down payment ng truck. And then, the 254,000 goes to the 2 months working capital. So, bibigyan ka na kasama na rito yung 2 months mo to operate. And then, some miscellaneous fees, no, yung processing din natin dito ng PTB, including yung LTFRB registration and some of the admin fees. So, all in all, 500,000 per truck yung investment. So, let's just look at the cash flow. No? So, if you remember earlier, ang net income ng isang truck is 29,562. Now, if you will get that package, 500,000 pesos, you will be amortizing the truck. Let's just say the estimate amortization for 3 years is 20,751. So, may matitira pa rin sa'yo rito na 8,811. So, this is a very good investment kasi you're already paying off your truck, and then may natitira pa. Diba? So, may kinikita ka na in reality with your investments. No? Not all businesses, first month pa lang, first year pa lang, kumikita na kaagad. Marami dyan, they have to pump in more investments. Like, for example, I have friends in the restaurant industry. No? First few months, even 1 whole year, dagdag sila ng dagdag ng puhunan. No? Dito, dahil may regular ka namang kliyente, most likely, you will have a net cash flow already. No? So, when all things goes well, yung 500,000 yun na lang yung kailangan mong ilabas kasi nag-factor in na rin tayo ng working capital doon. Now, if you can invest 2 trucks, nagiging net income mo dyan is 59,124, wherein the net cash flow is 17,622. Kung 3 trucks, 88,686 a month yung income mo dyan, nagna-net ka ng 26,043 kasi nagbabayad ka ng truck. And notice, your truck gets fully paid after 3 years, after year 3. So on the next slide, you will see, ito yung magiging net income mo. So, pinakita lang din natin nung una na 8811 yung kinikita mo on year 1, di ba? Pero after year 3, tumaas na yung kita mo. Dito na talaga mas mararamdaman mo siya. Year 4 onwards, hindi lang naman yun hanggang year 7. No? So just for the purpose of this table, no? Imagine, year 4 onwards, malaki na yung kinikita mo per truck. Nagti-29,000 ka na. And nagtatabi ka na dyan for maintenance. Ha? So, hindi na yan supposedly mababawasan kasi nag-accrue na tayo. Yan. Because it gets paid on year 3. And in terms of ROI and the rate of return, tignan natin sa 1 truck. No? Sa 1 truck, with 8,811 na net income a month, sa 12 months, 8811 times 12, that is 105,000. Doon nakuha yung 105,000. Now, comparing 105,732 to 500,000 na initial cash out, initial investment, technically, you will have an ROI, babalik yung puhunan mo in 3.5 years. Pero hindi lang yun nabalik ang puhunan. Meron ka ng truck that probably can still run for the next 10 to 12 years. And then you have learned the business. Meron ka na ring negosyo. No, na tuloy-tuloy na kumikita. Sustainable. So, in reality, yung nilabas mo na 500,000 after 3.5 years, the value of that is approximately around 1 million na doble mo na siya. after 3.5 years. Nabalik sa'yo yung 500,000 mo kasi may mga net income ka. You can buy another truck or another package after that, no, if should you want to. And nagkaroon ka na pa ng truck, tumatakbo pa yung unang truck mo ng negosyo. So ganito lumalaki yung business if na-roll mo siya ng na-roll. It gives you an annual rate of return of 28.6%. Yung 500,000 mo, para siyang kumita ng 28.6% per year. That's why in 3.5 years, na-doble mo siya. So this is what the annual return says. The last table or the last column says that yung annual net income mo after 3 years, mag-shoot up to 354,000. Diba? From 105,000 a year, naging 354,000 a year kasi wala ka nang binabayaran na amortization. Now imagine, if you have 3 trucks na, yung 3 trucks mo can give you a 1 million a year income after 3 years. So ito na talaga yung maybe something that can help you retire, no? If you would want a 6-figure income. Ito talaga, net income na to kasi the system teaches you to save up for maintenance, for other fees, and then for the taxes and everything. So most likely, malinis ito na yung kikitain mo, give or take 1 million. Right? So those, ganun kasimple yung business. If you have questions, this is the time to send in your questions in the comment section, or you can ask me directly in terms of this. Right? So thank you very much. This is DJ Dimaliuat, and thank you for listening.